Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you what is the easiest way to automatically open the websites in incognito mode or the private mode in Google Chrome. As you all know, Google Chrome is a very renowned web browser today, widely used by everyone, almost everyone, with google.com set as the homepage. Google is getting really tough on the ground, and so we know that incognito mode is a very famous mode, and it is a special mode in Google Chrome which allows us to browse the web in private. That is, your history is not recorded and the cookies are deleted after all the incognito windows are closed. And if there are specific websites that you only visit in Chrome's incognito mode, then you can use the extension like incognito filter. Otherwise, you have to open a new incognito window and type in the URL that you want to visit. But using this extension, you can simply add the websites of your choice to be opened directly in the incognito mode. And whenever you enter them in the address bar, they will automatically be opened in the incognito mode. And for the Google Chrome, the shortcut to open the incognito mode is Ctrl plus Shift plus N. And so here are the steps to download and install the extension. So now use the link from the description below to download, to get the link and download and install to your Google Chrome. And once you have installed the Google Chrome extension, click on this icon and choose show options to add the websites one by one on the options page. There is another option to browse the website first, and then click on the browser icon and choose add website to add the URL of the current tab to the incognito filter. Either way, the next time you browse to that URL, it will immediately open in incognito mode in Google Chrome. So this is the website of the incognito filter. Now I will show you how to do it. Here I have opened the Google homepage. So here is this incognito filter I have already installed. So now click on show options. It will open the page. Now let us suppose I write any website, suppose xyzz.com. Now I click on add website. So what it does is, whenever I open the website xyzz.com, it will automatically direct Google Chrome to open that website in incognito mode, and you can clearly see this website is a random URL and it is not opening. And so guys, this is it for the options menu. Or if you want to add the current website, simply click on the icon, click on add website, and that URL will be opened in the incognito mode. And so this is how it works. So guys, that is it for watching. That is it for the video for the incognito filter. And do use the comment section below to write your feedback and the comments, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Bye bye.